Hey everybody, it's Justine, and today I'm just gonna open up a fun little package that I got. It's from Culture Hustle, Stuart Simple. It's paint made by artists for artists, and I was super excited to order it. Let me just give you hints of things that I saw. It was like Mirroriest Mirror paint and like orangiest orange. Okay, you see, so of course I had to get it. Okay, so first, that was the first thing I got. Mirroriest Mirror. I'm not gonna lie, I probably didn't read the size. I think I thought I was getting a bigger one than this, but that's okay. We'll use it, we'll see how we like it, and then we'll probably order more. So this is the mirror paint. I'm super excited to play with this. There's actually something I was wanting to put a mirror on, but instead, I think we're gonna play with this. Okay, so some other things. We have that boom, 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 baby. That super bass. That boom, 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 baby. That super bass. Okay, I know. That was rough. But this is a base paint. And then I bought glow powder. It's lit. It's lit. I'm going to put the two together and see what sort of fun, glowy things I can make. I'm excited to play with this. Okay, next we have, first of all the bubble wrap I got is pretty exciting. I love the bubble wrap. It's pink, for sure. She's pink. We're gonna be playing with fluorescent paint. I already use fluorescents quite a bit. It's fun because they glow in the black lights. And so, yes, that was a British accent because Culture Hustle, I saw part of it was in England. So of course now I have to put on my silly English accent. Then we have fluorescents, fluorescents, fluorescents. Blue, green, yellow, and this is all neon. So this is all gonna glow. I've been playing with a neon painting, so I'm glad these came just in time for me to add. Okay. One last little goodie in my box. I am super excited. This one is called Heavy Metal. Okay. Oh, we have apply with a brush, build up in thin layers for best finishes. Okay. Black gold. Oh, this is beautiful. That is beautiful. Then we have copper. I can't wait. Then we have silver, regular silver we're gonna play with. And gold. Okay, so basically I can't wait. I'm gonna play with all my new paints and I'll probably be ordering more. Because the delivery was super fast, and actually because I'm a dingbat, I forgot, and I don't even know what happened, but I put the wrong address and there was whole issues with UPS, but the customer service over in England for this company was amazing, and I got my stuff all in one piece. So if you're looking for some cool paints, try using Culture Hustle. I love these paints. Thanks.